For residents seeking top-notch window installation in Palmetto Bay, our services offer unparalleled quality and efficiency, including solutions that pair perfectly with Patio Doors. Palmetto Bay Homeowners Trust. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, we provide a wide range of options to meet your needs. Our team specializes in residential window replacement. Palmetto Bay, ensuring your home is equipped with the best in window technology. Patio door replacement in Palmetto Bay is made easy with our expert services, especially for homeowners upgrading to modern patio doors. Palmetto Bay properties demand. We offer a variety of patio door services. Palmetto Bay, including sliding glass doors and French doors, to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Our patio door solutions are designed to withstand the elements while providing easy access to your outdoor spaces. Energy-efficient windows. Palmetto Bay are a smart investment for any homeowner, particularly when combined with high-quality patio doors Palmetto Bay residents rely on. Our selection includes double-pane windows and insulated glass units that help reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. With our energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. Sliding glass doors. Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for homeowners looking to maximize natural light and outdoor views, making them ideal patio doors Palmetto Bay families love. Our sliding glass doors are available in various styles and materials, including impact-resistant options for added security. Enhance your living space with our stylish and durable sliding glass doors. Double-pane windows. Palmetto Bay offer superior insulation and noise reduction and work seamlessly alongside patio doors Palmetto Bay homeowners install for energy efficiency. Our double-pane windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing energy consumption. Experience the benefits of double-pane windows with our expert installation services. Window installation services. Palmetto Bay are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows and patio doors Palmetto Bay homes depend on. Our team provides comprehensive window installation. Palmetto Bay, including window frame installation and glass replacement. Trust us to restore your windows to their original condition with our professional installation services. Custom windows. Palmetto Bay allow you to create a unique look for your home and complement custom patio doors Palmetto Bay designs. Our custom window solutions include a variety of styles, such as bay windows and awning windows, to suit your personal taste and architectural style. Let us help you design the perfect custom windows for your home. French doors. Palmetto Bay add elegance and charm to any home and are among the most sought-after patio doors Palmetto Bay homeowners choose. Our French doors are available in a range of materials and finishes, providing a beautiful transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our exquisite French doors. Impact-resistant windows. Palmetto Bay are designed to protect your home from severe weather conditions, just like impact-rated patio doors Palmetto Bay installations. Our impact windows. Palmetto Bay offer superior strength and durability, ensuring your home is safe and secure. Invest in impact-resistant windows for peace of mind and protection. Vinyl windows. Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance and pair well with vinyl patio doors Palmetto Bay homeowners prefer. Our vinyl windows are available in various styles and colors, providing a versatile and cost-effective solution for your home. Enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows with our expert installation services. For top-notch window installation and patio door replacement in Palmetto Bay, including premium patio doors Palmetto Bay residents recommend, look no further. Our energy-efficient windows and sliding glass doors are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Whether you need double-pane windows or custom window solutions, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Our window installation services in Palmetto Bay ensure your windows are always in perfect condition. Discover the elegance of French doors and the durability of impact-resistant windows in Palmetto Bay, along with expertly installed patio doors Palmetto Bay homeowners trust. Our vinyl windows and window frame installation services are second to none, providing you with long-lasting solutions. Glass replacement and bay windows are also available to transform your living space. Trust our window sealing and insulated glass units to improve your home's energy efficiency. Enhance your home's security and style with storm windows and window hardware in Palmetto Bay, perfectly complementing modern patio doors' Palmetto Bay designs. Our aluminum windows and window tinting services offer both protection and privacy. Skylight installation and window glazing are perfect for adding natural light to your home. Awning windows and casement windows provide excellent ventilation and are available in various styles. Our window screens and residential window replacement services in Palmetto Bay are tailored to your specific needs and work seamlessly with Patio Doors' Palmetto Bay installations. Patio door services in Palmetto Bay include everything from installation to replacement, ensuring your doors function smoothly. Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are a smart investment for reducing energy costs. Sliding glass doors in Palmetto Bay offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. For window caulking and storm windows in Palmetto Bay, our team provides expert solutions that protect both windows and patio doors Palmetto Bay homes rely on. Window hardware and aluminum windows in Palmetto Bay are designed for durability and style. Window tinting in Palmetto Bay offers privacy and UV protection, while skylight installation brings natural light into your home. Window glazing and awning windows in Palmetto Bay are perfect for enhancing your home's design. Choose our casement windows and window screens in Palmetto Bay for superior ventilation and protection that complements Patio Doors' Palmetto Bay installations. Residential window replacement in Palmetto Bay is our specialty, ensuring your home is equipped with the best windows available. Patio door services in Palmetto Bay include everything from installation to maintenance, providing you with peace of mind. Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay are a wise choice for any homeowner looking to save on energy bills. Sliding glass doors in Palmetto Bay offer a modern and stylish solution for your home.